What's up guys, it's me Jimmy. This is iPhone 7 running on the iOS 13. So there's a file manager. Yes, there's a file manager. Personally, you can collect your OneDrive, Dropbox, or anything you want, iCloud, and then you download some of the file. For example, I just did a test. I download this file. This was the raw file for the Olympus camera. The file size was quite big. Personally, after some of the files is automatically deleted from your device to save of the storage, and then it will back up to the iCloud. But this is the best thing since sliced bread in the iOS world. Again, as you can see, this was the camera file, this was raw file. I was testing to edit a raw file in the lightning. The file app work really very good. You can tag it. You can plug like a lightning port or using a lightning hub. Or a adapter to connect flash drive. File app is really very good. I enjoy it, but you can easily copy paste stuff inside. Amazing. It was me, G. Make it subscribe and bye.